students, this is for subject Mathematics, class 4th, chapter 1, Numbers and Numeration, lecture 1. In this lecture, I shall discuss about greatest and smallest numbers, predecessor and successor, writing and reading of large numbers, place value of encircled digit in the number. First topic comes, what are greatest numbers? As we know, the greatest digit from 0 to 9 is 9. Say 2-digit greatest number is 2 times 9. 3-digit greatest number is 3 times 9. 4-digit greatest number is 4 times 9. 5-digit greatest number is 5 times 9. And 6-digit greatest number is 6 times 9. Means which are the digits, number of time repeats it. Suppose 6 digit means 6 times 9. Now next comes to the smallest number. As we know, the smallest digit from 0 to 9 is 0. So say 2-digit smallest number is 10. 3-digit smallest number is 100. 4-digit smallest number is 1000. 5-digit smallest number is 10,000. 6-digit smallest number is 1 lakh. So these are the smallest digit number. Now next comes to the what are predecessor. The number that comes just before the number, that is 1 less than the number. For example, the given number is 7452. So predecessor will be 7452 minus 1. So that will become 7451. So 7451 is the predecessor of 7452. Now next comes, what is successor? The number that comes just after the number, that is 1 more than the number. For example, the given number is 9765. So successor will be 9765 plus 1. So successor is 9766. Now next comes how to read and write the large numbers. So we read and write the large numbers by dividing the places into periods. So this last three ones, tens, hundreds makes ones period. 1000 and 10,000 makes 1000 period. Lakhs and 10 lakhs makes lakhs period. So these are the periods which divide into different places. So for example, write the number name of 589653. So first we divide and insert the commas between the number, and we insert the commas between different periods. So this will become 5,89,653. So number name will become 5,89,653. So in this way we write the number name. Now next comes, what is place value? Place value of a digit depends on its position in the number. For example, mark the period and write the place value of underlined digit, that is 867,643. We have to tell the period and place value of underlined digit, that is 6. So what it will be? First, what will be the period? Period will be ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 1000 and 10,000, the period is 1000. So the period will be 1000 and its place value will be 60,000. So this is the place value. Now solve the following questions assigned as homework. Question number 1. Write the number name for the following. A. 76,598 and B part 8,65,432. Question number 2. Write the greatest 3-digit number and smallest 5-digit number. Also write the number name. Question number 3. Write the predecessor and successor of the following numbers. A part 68,298, that is 68298. B part 7,653, that is 7653. Question number 4. Mark the period and write the place value of the underlined digit. A part 8, 7, 5, 3, 4. You have to tell the period and place value of underlined digit, that is 7. B part. Write down B part. 7, 8, 5, 4, 6, 3. You have to tell the period and place value of the 7 and 4. So these are the following questions assigned as homework. Thank you.